I've posted several quotes on social media and no one's buying from me. I've been doing Facebook Lives almost every day and no one's buying from me. I started a brand new YouTube channel and I've been posting videos every single week like you told me to, and no one is buying from me. Does this sound familiar to you? If you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe and click on the bell notification so you don't miss every time I upload a brand new video. It's one of the main things that content creators struggle with, and that is coming up with valuable content. Coming up with content that actually converts. And when I say convert, I'm talking about actually generating leads and sales from your content. I'm not just talking about, building a following on Instagram or TikTok or, your Facebook. I'm talking about real conversions. Because guess what? The amount of followers that you have, it absolutely means nothing if it's not converting. If your people that are following you on social media, if they're not converting, there's a reason why. Me personally, they don't call me Lisa on autopilot for nothing. They call me Lisa on autopilot because my main focus is to generate leads and convert those leads into sales. But here's the thing, in order for that to happen, there's 3 things that you need to do. And I'm gonna share those 3 things with you in this podcast. My 3-step content marketing strategy for beginners. So whether you're a new content creator or maybe you've been around the block for a while and you're still struggling with converting those social media followers into leads, into sales, then this podcast is for you. Because there's nothing worse than wasting your time creating content that absolutely does nothing for your business. Don't feel bad, you're not alone. I was actually there at one point myself. There was one point where I was actually struggling to convert leads into sales myself. We all have to go through it. So wherever you are right now, guess what? It's okay, because that's exactly where you're supposed to be. Don't be ashamed of it. I mean, it is what it is. It's part of the journey, so embrace it. But lucky for you, I created this episode where I'm gonna teach you my 3-step content marketing strategy to help you start creating better quality content and start getting those leads and sales that you deserve in your business. So go ahead and click on this link right here, lisaaonautopilot.com/6, and go listen to episode number 6 right now, or you can click the link right below this video. Or if you're here already on my blog, the player to the podcast will be right below this video. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss every time I upload a brand new episode. I'll see you over there.